Hello, it's Demi from TRUEMAX. Today, I want to take this LP100.18.180/60 truck-mounted line pump as an example to show our TRUEMAX line pump. About the chassis, Dongfeng series chassis has guaranteed quality and service. About the power unit, the equipment uses Dawes diesel engine, which is an international brand. Its big output power and torque not only guarantees power walking and complete combustion, but also reduce the emissions. About the hydraulic system mainly consists of 3 pumps, which control the movements of the main cylinder, swing distributing oil cylinder, and stirred motor. In addition, it uses the largest hydraulic manifold block in the industry. Its design can ensure the reliable quality and show you what can be accomplished by keeping it simple. For the hydraulic outriggers, the hydraulic cylinder we use is the best of all the manufacturers. That can ensure the equipment be more stable in pumping. About the hopper, both front and back baffles are thickened. The distributing valve form is S-valve, whose optimized passage design has less resistance. The diameter of the outlet is DN150. About the advantages of TRUEMAX truck-mounted line pump. First, it can work as 3 to 5 stationary pump. The truck-mounted line pump's utilization rate is very high. Second, it perfectly combines the stationary pump and pump truck. It has the high pressure performance of stationary pump and has the advantages of quick transition and flexible movement of pump truck. Third, it can save a lot of money on moving the pump and avoid the security risks when lifting.